Good morning to Madam T.S. Dr. Nurfaiza Binti Abdul Wahab. I am Khuganeshwaran son of Mogan, number metric B0717101108. And my teammate is Shazatul Umirah Binti Shahurin, number metric B0717101235. Today we are going to present about our presentation 2 based on piston and connecting rod. What is piston? A piston is a component of reciprocating engines, reciprocating pumps, gas compressor, hydraulic cylinders, and pneumatic cylinders, among other similar mechanisms. It is the moving component that is contained by a cylinder and it is made gas tied by piston ring. In the engine, it purpose to transfer force from expanding gas in the cylinder to the crankshaft via a piston rod and connecting rod. These are the dimension of pistons. Here is the part. This is called as connecting pin, piston head, connecting rod, connecting rod head pin. Here are the dimension used to create piston head. Calculation. Some of the formulas to make calculations. The material were applied in our testing simulation is alloy steel. The model type is linear elastic isotropic. Default creation is maximum Von Mises stress. Thermal conductivity is 50 watt. Specific heat is 460 joule and mass density is 7,700 kilogram per volume. Here are the material properties for our piston head. Name is alloy steel. Model type linear elastic isotropic maximum. And the component is solid body 1 filled by 6 piston head. Here is the model of our soluble model of our piston head. The mesh information is mesh type we use for our piston head is solid mesh. And the mesh information details are knots, elements, aspect ratio, dissort elements, and others. Mesh picture of our piston. This is our mesh picture of our piston. The result of thermal testing. This is the result we obtain from conduct thermal testing in SolidWorks. This is the surface where the piston uh, applied by heat during combustion. Here is the model of SolidWorks design we created for assignment 2. The test conduct was thermal testing with thermal load 100 degrees Celsius. Thermal load is 100 degrees Celsius and piston material is alloy steel. I will pass to my teammate to conduct for piston connecting rod and piston pin. Thank you.
Okay, next, let me continue. Okay, it's about connecting rod. Okay, first piston pin. Okay, what is connecting rod is connecting rod or can rod is the part of a piston engine which connect to the piston and then end crankshaft. Together with the crank, the connecting rod convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into the rotation of the crankshaft. The connecting rod is required to transmit the compressive and tensile force from the piston and rotate at both ends. Okay, the predecessor to the connecting rod is a mechanic linkage used by water mills to convert rotating motion of the water wheel into reciprocating motion. Okay, here is material properties for piston pin. Okay, we use alloy steel. Model type is linear elastic isotropic. Okay, and the components is one chamfer one is piston pin. Okay, for your information, in this project, its product is also use alloy steel. Is the same. Okay, for the mesh information, okay, the type of mesh is solid mesh, MSUs, standard mesh. Okay, and the others for the mesh information detail we can see it here, such as the tolerance, mesh quality, total nodes, total element. Okay, next. And then there is a mesh picture of piston pin. Okay, this result of thermal testing. Okay, we can say at the product is in blue color, okay, which is mean is in a cool thermal. Okay, next as we can see here, okay, this is the simulation of piston pin thermal testing. Okay. Okay, next is a material properties for the piston bottom. Okay, these properties is also same. That is your alloy steel. Model type is also linear elastic isotropic. Okay, the failure is matched on mixer stress. The component is solid body one, fillet four, piston body. Also mass density also same in 7,700. Okay, next is the information mesh for the bottom. Okay, this mesh type is solid mesh. Mesh U is a standard mesh, and others detail is we can see here. The difference is other is at the element size, at tolerance, mesh quality, and others. We can see a different from the information details. Kiddy is a mass picture of piston button. Kiddy is a thermal testing and it show is in blue color which is mean the the thermal is low when it occur. Okay, yeah, this is a SolidWorks show that the connecting rod after the thermal testing and is a blue color which mean is a low temperature into the product.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.